Hello friends, welcome back to episode number 30 as I promised, and this would be yet another anime drawing of a boy, a very easy, a cute anime drawing of a boy. Yeah, we'll be learning how to draw an easy step-by-step anime drawing. Let's get started with this episode number 30 of 6 minutes 100 days challenge. And as once again we do not have Parikshit with us, I know this is gonna be a little boring, but still let's continue the learning. And let's start. We'll need this pencil and a white paper, and that's all that we need. This is gonna be a good drawing. Let's see if I'm able to make it. Okay, what I'll do is, to keep the balance right, I'll draw a straight line. Okay, and from the straight line, I will make a small face. Okay. Looks good. Just small. And the eyes. All the anime drawings have something very special with the eyes. They look different, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Looks weird, isn't it? But I hope it will look better once we finish up the drawing. I guess we should be making the face a little wider. Let's erase this off. Since the eyes got a little big, let's make the face a little wider. Yeah, this should be good. Make it a little pointed. Yeah. Okay. The ears and the hairs, the most exciting part of an anime drawing. Okay. That's a shirt, the buttons, the tie, okay, and the suit. Does it look like a suit? Maybe it does. I hope it does. Not very much, but yeah. we'll manage. Okay, let's do a little bit of shadings. That's a super cute anime boy drawing. I hope you enjoyed this. Let's see who got featured in this video. Okay, so congratulations to whoever got featured. Wish you all the very best for whoever wants to get featured in the next video. Tell us in the comments below. Like our video, share our video, and we will be featuring your profile next. You never know if you get featured. And also tell us in the comments below which video you want us to draw next in the episode number 31. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. I hope I'll be back with Parikshit in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.